Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim John. If you're new here, I'm a biomedic dentist and I am a third generation dentist, and in my channel I share my stories about my life, dentistry, and it can be useful, interesting for anyone who is starting their dental path, and maybe they own a clinic. Or maybe you're just a viewer who just wonder about something interesting in the sphere of dentistry. And today I would like to tell you the story of my dental family, which starts in a distant past. And many years ago, my grandpa was a dentist, and it was even earlier than a Second World War. And he has his saying that if he became a dentist, that one day his son can become a professor. And he made a lot of investment in his children, and most of them are doctors now. And when it comes to my father, so my father is the oldest kid in their family, and because of the tough times at that time, he had to assist his father in dental practice. So by the 8th grade of school, he was already ready to have his dental practice, because actually my father had his first patient, like fully done case, in 8th grade because of the circumstances. We will talk about it in other videos, but for now, so the dentistry in the story of my father began so early, and then he studied dentistry at the university. And then, as far as his mentor was oral and maxillofacial surgeon, his mentor guided him into a maxillofacial surgery, and my father did scientific work on maxillofacial surgery and made it in Leningrad. And after he become a leading specialist in this sphere, so now he is a fellow member of Academic of Dentistry International, and he is a professor in our university, and he has done a lot in this field. And so, when it comes to my mom, she is first doctor in her family, because father was a participant of Second World War. And what is really interesting, that my mom used to study and teach at the same university where my father works, and she was a student of my father, and then she was a colleague of my father, and then here we are. So I have my parents, like oral and maxillofacial surgeons, and as far as they are my oral and maxillofacial surgeons, we were born and we grew up in an environment of surgeons, and I was in an operating room since I was kid, and I, like, from very beginning of my life, I knew that one day I want to be a doctor, and I wanted to become a surgeon. Once I wanted to become a cardiovascular surgeon, but it was after my father had his cardiovascular operation, and then I was like, oh, I want to be a cardiovascular surgeon. But and I had an opportunity when I was in college to participate 2 years in this department, but then I got understand that it is not the field that I fit in. So, and I have my older brother and sister. They are also doctors. My older brother is a dentist, and now he is the head of the department on dental surgery and dental implantology, and my sister is a dermatologist, and my little brother is also passionate about oral maxillofacial surgery and in general surgery. So now he is studying in a master program in Malaysia, and me passionate biomimetic dentist. And what is really interesting is that recently I have engaged, and my wife is also a dentist. So dentistry lies we have a dynasty of doctors and dentists. So we are the third generation, and I guess maybe like the fourth generation is going to be also a dentist. So that is the story of my dental family, and most of our relatives are also doctors. So we grew up in an environment of medicine. We knew that we want to be doctor, dentist, like, from the since we were kids, and everything around us was leading us to become a doctor, dentist. Even though sometimes I had an idea to be maybe not a doctor, but like after some attempts, you will understand that medicine lies in your blood, and like it is in your blood. So you can do nothing with it. You just take the situation just the way it is, that you are doctor and you can do nothing with it. So it was story of us, and about there are a lot of details and stories in this story, and we can talk about them in other videos now. So see you in the next video. Ooh.